I learned from a client who was going to a trauma therapist while in a jail, everybody else is going to suspect they're a snitch. So
Yeah.
they're not going to know that they're going to see a therapist or a counselor. They're going to view him as a threat.
I think gang intervention, while it's great, because when someone's in custody, you have access to them. It's like a college student, they're always at the dorms. It's not the best scenario because they have to play that part. They have to code switch and say, I'm a gang member, right? You've seen the gang member or the alleged gang member walk down the hallway in shackles. Normally, the door opens to the courtroom. All of a sudden,
completely different
all of a sudden
posture,
there's a stride,
gait, stride.
you know,
yeah,
and you were talking to that person, and they were like, "Hey, Mr. Pernik, this is what I think that we should do. If you can bring me these reports, I'm thinking about doing this, and this is our plan of action. All of this." That door opens up, and they just became that gang member again because they have to be. And you can say, "Hey, I just need to ask you one more question, the judge," and they don't even see you anymore. I'm not even talking to my lawyer. I'm not a snitch. I don't even talk to my own lawyer. And you know that's a lot of gang members are through their own gang not allowed to even talk to their lawyer unless they're one of the higher ups.
Not allowed to present a defense in court, which has always been crazy to me.
Not allowed to testify, and the jury is not even allowed to know that they're not allowed to testify because of the gang structure. The way I look at it, if you really, and I know you do, I do too, if someone really wants to redirect people and have some gang intervention, you're gonna have to look at the gang leader, who we don't know who it may be in a prison or jail system, but you're gonna have to look at that gang leader like an abused child's father. And you're going to have to try to convince that abused child that their father is no good and everything they've been taught by that father is completely wrong. And you're going to have to show them the light, like Socrates said, and come this way to this authority figure. And it's not done in a 60-minute session in a jail. When that person now has to report to their gang father, what'd you guys talk about? Nothing, I swear.
Deep and real.